Hi friends, today I want to bring you a word of encouragement real quick about marriage and finding the right marriage partner. Is that don't be afraid. You cannot miss the will of God. For if somebody could miss out on the will of God, then it's not God's perfect will. Since God is perfect and His will is perfect, and since His will is only the best and only good for us, therefore we can't possibly miss it. Even though it takes into account our mistakes, our failings, our shortcomings, our flaws, our weaknesses, our strengths, etc. Is that even if you're like in your late 20s or 30s, don't be afraid. Don't make marriage where you put your worth and identity into. As in, don't make marriage your God, in a sense like society tries to do, in that it's an end-all be-all, because that's further from the truth. And it's especially not what Jesus preaches. That heaven surpasses far what marriage represents. Marriage is supposed to be a physical representation of heaven.